Hey, my name is Jonathan Cocotello. I'm here with Zoom from the Client Innovation team and the Spaces team. What we're showing today is our custom AV feature set for Zoom Rooms. This is not a new product or a new SKU or license, but this is a collection of features built into Windows and Mac-based Zoom Rooms that are really designed to expand the I/O capabilities for Zoom Rooms in advanced spaces. And that includes broadcast, executive boardrooms, auditoriums, and the like. So what we have today is we're showing Zoom Rooms running on a Mac Mini device. It's connected over Thunderbolt to a deck link from Blackmagic in an enclosure, and that's taking SDI feeds directly out of that Zoom Room. So our custom AV solution, it combines a few things. Number one, it combines enhanced support for additional protocols out from that Zoom Room. So that means that you get NDI, Dante, SDI, and 2110, both input and output from that Zoom Room. We support 4 cameras on the input side. We support up to 12 additional outputs as well. Now for the control side of this, we have an application here. This application runs on Windows and Mac, and it allows you to pair to that Zoom Room device and gives you the expanded broadcast controls. So imagine if you had a room that Monday through Thursday functioned as a regular Zoom Room, but on Friday you needed to host an all-hands or a training session from that room. Your AV team could come into this controller and could start assigning specific content to each output. So participant on SDI1, gallery on SDI2, and use the other 2 inputs for cameras as well, right? All of this is customized through the controller. And if you look over on the left here, you'll see we have 3 monitors coming out from that Zoom Room. I'm going to take my 3rd monitor right now, and I'm going to configure this to be a gallery view. And then you can see that I just populated right now with a customized view of those participants. So again, up to 12 outputs from the Zoom Room, customized content on each one of those. If you want to learn more about the solution, you can visit the Zoom website and look at the Zoom Rooms product, and there we have more information about custom AV features.